today we'll be making an adorable ornament perfect for your Christmas tree. What you will need, I have the mini Bodabra bow maker here. I have this really pretty ornament which was purchased at Dollar Tree. It's a large one. You also have the option of purchasing two smaller ones for the same price, but I wanted to go with the larger one. I also have some glitter decorative balls. One pack will fill this halfway, so if you want to fill it completely, just grab 2 packs. Then I have this gorgeous red, white, and green ribbon that I received from the ribbon. It's so pretty. It is 5/8 inches in width. So I have 2 pieces cut 21 inches long. I have 1 piece cut about 18 inches long, and then I have a 4-inch long piece. You can modify this if you want it larger, smaller. It's completely up to you. Then I have my bow wire, a nice amount, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So first thing we are going to do is fold our bow wire in half and place it down in the center of the Bodabra. Before I start placing the ribbon, I'm actually going to ribbon cut the ends because I think that's going to look so adorable since they will be hanging. So you just fold it in half, the open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal, just like that. So I'm going to get all of my ends cut, and then we'll start placing it on the Bodabra. If you like the squared off ends, you can definitely keep it like that. I kind of just switch up depending on the project that I'm doing, but for this specific one with the glitter and the ornament and everything, I just thought the ribbon cut ends will look so cute and adorable. You can use a lighter to finish off any frayed edges you may have. Going to fold one of my longer pieces, the 21-inch long piece, in half to find the center. This is my center crease. Facing the wrong side up, I'm going to scrunch. Fold it in half, the front and the back both come up, and place it down. Just like that. And I'm going to, you see, you can use a little measuring tool here, about 2 inches. And I'm going to scrunch and place that down. And do the same with the other side, about 2 inches. Scrunch and place down. And then make sure you put your wand in place before you modify or maneuver anything. I'm going to do the exact same thing with my second 21-inch long piece. Just like that. So adorable. I'm going to have the wand in place, and then I'm just pulling my tails downward. And don't forget, this last piece is slightly shorter just because I wanted the tails to kind of stagger a little bit. And I'm doing the exact same thing one more time. And this loop is actually not going to be 2 inches. I'm going to make it maybe 1.5 inches. Yeah, about 1.5 inches. Just like that. So I made the last loop slightly smaller, and the tails are slightly shorter. You can make them all the same size if you'd like. And that's what it's looking like. So cute. So we're going to remove the wand, take the 2 open ends and place it inside the loop. Hold your bow in place and give it a nice tug. Just like that. Again, I'm kind of pulling the tails downward slightly. Okay, and I'm going to tie it a couple of times. Usually I would cut off the excess, but since I'm going to tie this to something, I'm not going to. I'm just turning it sideways like that. This is what it's looking like. I'm going to take that last 4-inch piece, tie it in a knot. Just like that. And I'm going to hot glue it right in the center. Okay, and then the excess you can either glue it all the way down or just cut it. I don't want it to show from the front, so I'm just going to cut that. So cute. So this is what the bow looks like. Now you're going to take your ornament and your decorative balls. So I'm going to place the decorative balls inside the ornament, but you can place a photo, you can place some other type of decoration, you can use glitter, whatever you'd like. Just have fun with it, be creative, and make it your own. So you're just going to pull the top off. Whatever you place, just be careful. You may want to use a funnel or anything, but I'm just going to try and cup it with my hand. And I'm going to just pour them all in. Just placing them all in there. But I think this looks cute because it's able to like be free and move around and just be fun. So you're just going to take the top and squeeze it together and place it back inside the ornament. Just like that. And now we are going to add our bow. You can add the bow to the center, to the top, around the neck of the ornament, or even to this top little hook. But I like to save that for the little ornament tie. So I'm going to tie it around the wider neck of the ornament. Let me show you. So you see I kept the bow wire in place. Usually I would cut it, but I kept it in place so that I would have some wire to tie this to the ornament. I'm going to just tie it a couple of times around the neck of the ornament. Just like that. And then you can cut off the excess. And just to make sure it's nice and secure, I like to take my hot glue gun and just add a little extra reinforcement at the back. Just like that. Okay, so last thing we're going to do, take a piece that we cut, loop it in the top loop of the ornament, and just tie it a couple of times. Now you can definitely use ornament hooks that you can purchase, probably 100 in a pack at Dollar Tree, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to use bow wire. You can even use ribbon, whatever you choose, but just to tie it like that, just so you can put it on your tree. And you are all done. So cute and adorable. And it's just personalized. Again, you can place a photo, some candy, glitter, any other type of decoration you want to use, you can definitely do that. It's just very cute and it makes it personalized, and you can modify it to fit the theme that you like to decorate with. But this, I think, is just so cute, and it's so fun how the glitter balls can move around. Simple and easy to do. Just personalize it and make it your own.